The alarm blares, jolting me awake from a restless sleep. My heart pounds as I realize what day it is. Today is the day, my best friend's engagement party. The event I've been looking forward to for weeks, maybe even months. My outfit is perfect, carefully chosen and laid out the night before. My hair is styled, my shoes are polished, and everything seems ready for a flawless evening. But as I step into the bathroom and catch my reflection, my excitement fades. My skin looks dull, tired, and lifeless, like it's carrying the weight of every late night and stressful week. All the late nights, endless deadlines, and skipped skincare routines have finally caught up with me. Panic sets in as I imagine showing up with my skin looking this way. Instinctively, I reach for my concealer, hoping to hide the evidence. But deep down, I know that piling on makeup will only make things worse. My skin will look cakey, and by the end of the night, every flaw will be on display. I can already picture the foundation settling into fine lines, the mask-like finish cracking as the hours pass. That's not the look I want for such a special occasion. I sigh, disappointment washing over me, not just in my skin, but in myself for neglecting the basics. Why didn't I take better care? Why did I let stress win? The clock is ticking, each second a reminder that I'm running out of time. I need a miracle, and fast. Suddenly, a memory flashes in my mind. My grandmother, her skin always radiant and healthy, no matter her age. She never relied on expensive products or heavy makeup. Her secret? Simple, natural remedies from the kitchen. She always said, "If you wouldn't eat it, don't put it on your skin." She believed in the power of pure, wholesome ingredients. Maybe I don't have to surrender to concealer and foundation. Maybe there's another way. A way to actually nourish my skin, not just cover it up. I glance toward the kitchen, suddenly hopeful. What if the solution isn't in my makeup bag, but in my fridge? I ditch the panic, take a deep breath, and head to the kitchen with a spark of determination. Maybe, just maybe, I can turn this around. It's time to try something different, something nourishing, gentle, and real. I gather fresh ingredients, remembering the simple recipes my grandmother used to make. No more hiding behind layers of makeup. I want to see my real skin glow, to feel confident in my own natural beauty. I'm ready to rescue my glow, not just mask the problem. This is my chance to give my skin the love and care it truly deserves. As I light a candle and settle in for a few moments of self-care, I realize this isn't just about looking good for a party. It's about feeling good in my own skin, about reclaiming a little peace and confidence. I take a deep breath and open the fridge, scanning for inspiration. There's honey, yogurt, cucumber, and a handful of berries, nature's own skincare arsenal. I gather what I need, feeling a sense of control and hope return. Let's see what nature can do when I trust it, and myself. The journey to radiant skin starts now, right here in my own kitchen, with a little faith and a lot of love for myself. I resist the urge to grab heavy foundation and instead head to my kitchen. This time, I'm not hiding my skin, I'm healing it. The real magic isn't in expensive bottles, but in simple, natural ingredients. I realize I don't need a frantic store run or a pricey facial. DIY beauty puts the power in my hands. I'm about to whip up an instant glow face pack, a skin rescue mission using what I already have. It's a nutrient-rich smoothie for my face, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. In just 15 to 20 minutes, I can transform my skin. Forget cakey makeup. This is about real radiance. This ritual is about caring for my skin, not covering it up. I'm turning panic into empowerment. My skin is about to get the treat of its life. Time to glow, naturally. Let's get started. Let's start with the first star of our show, plain, unsweetened yogurt. This humble ingredient is a true multitasker in natural skincare. Packed with lactic acid, yogurt gently exfoliates away dead skin cells, revealing a fresh, brighter complexion underneath. It's also incredibly hydrating, helping to lock in moisture and soothe dryness, making your skin feel soft and supple. Yogurt's creamy texture makes it easy to apply, and it's perfect for calming irritated or sensitive skin. Next up, we have raw honey, a golden elixir that's been cherished for centuries. Raw honey is a natural humectant, which means it draws moisture from the air into your skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, helping to calm redness, fight breakouts, and leave your skin with a healthy, dewy glow. Now, let's add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which instantly brightens your skin and helps fade dark spots over time. But remember, just a few drops are enough. Too much can be harsh or irritating, especially for sensitive skin. Next, a pinch of turmeric. This vibrant spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers. It helps calm redness, fights blemishes, and gives your skin a beautiful golden glow. For substance and texture, I like to add ground oats or besan, also known as gram flour. Both are gentle, natural exfoliants that help bind the mask together. Oats are especially soothing. They calm irritation, reduce redness, and gently cleanse without stripping your skin's natural oils. They're perfect for anyone with sensitive or easily reactive skin. Besan, on the other hand, is amazing for controlling excess oil, tightening pores, and leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed. These ingredients aren't just trendy. They've been trusted and passed down through generations, forming the backbone of traditional beauty rituals. Each one brings its own unique benefits: exfoliation, hydration, brightening, calming, and more. Together, they create a balanced, nourishing blend for your skin. When you mix them, you get a powerful, all-natural mask that's free from chemicals and artificial additives. There's no harshness here, just pure, effective care straight from your kitchen. It's simple, safe, and accessible for everyone. Everything you need for glowing, healthy skin is right here at your fingertips. No need for fancy products or complicated routines. This is your glow-up gang. Simple, natural, and proven. Let's mix them up and get ready to treat your skin to something truly special. Welcome to your own little apothecary, right in your kitchen. Today, you're not just following a recipe, you're creating a golden potion for your skin, using ingredients you probably already have at home. Let's embrace the joy of mixing, blending, and crafting something truly special for yourself. Start with 2 generous tablespoons of plain yogurt. This will be the creamy, soothing base of your mask, packed with probiotics to calm and nourish your skin. Next, drizzle in a teaspoon of raw honey. Honey is nature's own humectant, drawing moisture into your skin and leaving it soft and glowing. Squeeze in just half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, no more, as it's potent. The lemon will gently brighten and clarify your complexion. Add a tiny pinch of turmeric. This golden spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and skin-brightening properties. Just a little is enough to give your mask a beautiful color and a boost of healing power. Now, mix in a tablespoon of finely ground oats or besan. Oats are soothing and gentle, while besan helps cleanse and exfoliate. Choose whichever suits your skin best. Stir everything together until you have a smooth, spreadable paste. Think thick pancake batter. Take your time and enjoy the process. This is self-care in action. If your mixture feels too thick, add a splash more yogurt or a few drops of rose water for a touch of luxury and a lovely scent. If it's too runny, sprinkle in a bit more oats or besan until you reach the perfect consistency. Want to personalize your potion? Add a few drops of aloe vera gel if your skin feels dry, or a little extra lemon juice if you're dealing with oiliness. This is your mask. Make it work for you. Remember, this isn't just a mask, it's a ritual. Take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. You're caring for yourself in the most natural way. Admire the golden, creamy mixture you've created. It's a little bowl of goodness, made with your own hands. Every ingredient is pure, natural, and chosen by you. No chemicals, no preservatives, just wholesome nourishment for your skin. You don't need fancy gadgets or complicated tools. All it takes is a bowl, a spoon, and a few minutes of your time. In just a few minutes, you've created a skin-loving rescue potion that's ready to use. Your golden potion is ready. Let's treat your skin to some well-deserved love and glow. Start with a clean face. Wash, pat dry, and pull your hair back. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face and neck. Avoid the eyes and mouth. Enjoy the cool, soothing texture as you gently massage it in. This boosts circulation and enhances your glow. Take your time. This is self-care. Once covered, relax and let the mask work. You've just given yourself a mini facial with nature's best. Set a timer for 15-20 minutes and relax. Let the mask do its work while you unwind. No chores, no scrolling. You might feel a gentle tingle. That's the ingredients working. The mask will tighten slightly as it dries. Normal and soothing. Honey hydrates, turmeric calms, yogurt brightens. Every ingredient is nourishing your skin. This isn't just skincare. It's a moment of peace. Breathe deeply, enjoy the ritual. You're investing in your confidence and well-being. The timer will go off soon. Get ready for the reveal. When time's up, head to the sink. Use lukewarm water to gently re-moisten and remove the mask. Massage in circles as you rinse. Oats give extra exfoliation. Rinse thoroughly, then splash with cool water to close pores. Pat dry with a soft towel. No rubbing. Look in the mirror. Your skin is brighter, smoother, and more radiant. Redness is reduced, your complexion even and dewy. Pores look refined, and your skin feels soft and plump. This is real, healthy radiance, not a cover-up. You've nourished your skin back to life. Enjoy the transformation. That skin emergency? Gone. Confidence restored. To lock in your glow, follow up with a gentle, hydrating toner. Next, apply a serum. Vitamin C for brightness or hyaluronic acid for hydration. Press it in gently. Seal everything with a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Massage it in with upward strokes. If it's daytime, finish with sunscreen, SPF 30 or higher. This protects your fresh skin and keeps your glow safe. These steps ensure your radiance lasts all day. You've created a routine for lasting skin health. Enjoy your luminous, confident self. If you enjoyed discovering this instant glow face pack and love natural beauty tips, you're in the right place. We share easy, effective DIY beauty recipes and skincare secrets every week. For more glowing skin ideas and homemade beauty hacks, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share your results in the comments and let us know what DIY beauty tips you want to see next. Remember, your natural glow is worth celebrating. See you in the next video.